In this video, you will learn 11 plus vocabulary list. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to master 11 plus exam techniques to land in your dream grammar school, start right now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. Person who fells trees, cut them into logs, transport them to sawmill. Starts with L. In this picture, we can see two people cutting down wood. So this means the word will be lumberjack, and the sentence for this word is the lumberjack worked extremely hard to cut the tree. The next definition is elliptical path of celestial object starts with O. In this picture, we can see celestial objects, such as planets and asteroids, going around the elliptical path around the sun. So this means the word will be orbit, and the sentence is planets in the solar system orbit the sun. Now, before we go into the next one, let's try to recall the previous slide, and the previous slide is lumberjack. Let's go on to the next one. Muddled or confused. In this picture, we can see a person who's very muddled or confused. So this means the word will be befuddled, and the sentence is the question befuddled everyone. Now, do you guys remember the previous slide? The previous slide is orbit. Let's go on to the next one. Past and past participle of spotlight starts with S. In this picture, we can see a musician performing on a stage and it has spotlight. So this means the word will be spotlit, and the sentence is the band was performing on the spotlit stage. So now let's recall the previous slide, and the previous slide is befuddled. Let's go on to the next one. Release or unloose starts with U. In this picture, we can see a dog released from its leash. So this means the word will be unleash. And the sentence is the dogs are always unleashed inside the house. Before we go into the next one, do you guys remember the previous slide? The previous slide is spotlit. Let's go into the next one. Judgment, set of words, starts with S. In this picture, we can see a set of words. So this means the word will be sentence. And the sentence for this word is the judge sentenced the thief to prison. Now, let's once again recall the previous slide and try to remember the previous slide. And the previous slide is unleash. Let's go on to the next one. Excessively harsh starts with D. In this picture, we can see the mother being excessively harsh to the boy. So this means the word will be draconian, and the sentence is the mum took draconian actions to stop the boy. Now, like always, let's recall the previous slide, and the previous slide is sentence. Let's go on to the next one. Aggressively confident and self-assertive starts with B. In this picture, we can see someone who's very confident and self-assertive. So this means the word will be bullish, and the sentence is the boss was extremely bullish. So now, like always, let's recall the previous slide once again, and the previous slide is draconian. Let's go on to the next one. Respectful starts with R. In this picture, we can see the boy being very respectful to his teacher. So this means the word will be reverent. And the sentence is the boy gave reverent attention to the teacher. And the previous slide is bullish. The next definition is tuneful. Matching starts with H. In this picture, we can see a couple of tune notes which suggest it's being very tuneful. So this means the word will be harmonious. And the sentence is the composer always produces harmonious music. And like always, the previous slide is reverent. Before we start the quiz, if you guys do want more vocabulary resources, I've got the link in the description for more resources, so go check that out. Now, it's quiz time, and let's see how much we remembered. The first one is respectful starts with R. In this picture, we can see the boy respectful to its teacher. The next one is excessively harsh, starts with D. In this picture, we can see the mum being excessively harsh to the boy. The next one is muddled or confused, and in this picture, we can see someone who's muddled or confused. And the final one is person who fells trees, cut them into logs, transport them to sawmill, starts with L. And in this picture, we can see people cutting down trees. Now it's time for the results, and let's see how well we did. And here are the results. The first one is reverent, the second is draconian, the third is befuddled, the fourth is lumberjack. So well done for attending the quiz, and I hope you got all right. Now to learn more on 11 plus vocab, click the video on the right, and to learn the previous type, click the video on the left. So take your pick. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.